This video is on the greatest common factor. Factors that are shared by two or more numbers are called common factors. The greatest of the common factors of two or more numbers is called the greatest common factor, or the GCF of the numbers. Making a list can help identify common factors of two or more numbers. So for example, 16. Let's think about all of the factors that can be multiplied together to equal 16. I always start with the smallest number. I start with 1. I know that 1 times 16 will give me 16. Then I go to 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 is not a factor of 16, but 4 is. 4 times 4. Then I think about 24. 1 times 24 equals 24. 2 times 12. 3 times 8. And 4 times 6. Those are all factors that multiply together to equal 24. Now let's look at the common factors. What do they have in common? Well, they both have a 1. They both have a factor of 2. There's not a factor of 3 in 16, so we can't highlight that one. They both have a common factor of 4. Then starting backwards down here, 6. Nope, 16 doesn't have a factor of 6. They both have a factor of 8. And neither 12, 24, or 16 are common factors. So if we're going to make our list of the common factors, they would be 1, 2, 4, and 8. And the greatest common factor would be the largest number of the common factors, which in this case is 8. Okay, let's try this example. Make a list of common factors for 42 and 56. So we'll start with 42. I know 1 times 42 equals 42, and I'm going to use my divisibility rules. I can divide 42 by 2 because it's the last digit is an even number. So 2 times 21. Is 42 divisible by 3? Well, 4 plus 2 is 6, which is divisible by 3. So yes, 3 times 14 are the factors for 42. And then there's 6 times 7. Moving on to 56. 1 times 56. 2 times 28. Is 56 divisible by 3? 5 plus 6 equals 11, so no, it's not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 4. 4 times 14. And 7 times 8, which we know from our multiplication tables. So the common factors are going to be 1. They both have a 1. They both have a 2. They don't both have 3 or 4 or 6, but they both have a 7. There's not an 8, there's 14, they both have a 14, not 28, 21, 42, or 46. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, and 14, and the greatest common factor, the GCF, would be 14. Okay, here are 2 of your homework check questions for tonight. You're to find the greatest common factor of 24 and 36, and the greatest common factor of 54 and 72. Use your divisibility rules if you need to. Make a list of your greatest common factors. You can also use a multiplication chart in your journal. That'll help you. But find the greatest common factor of these 2 problems. Pause the video. Once you're done, go on to homework check number 3. And here's your 3rd homework check for this video. The greatest common factor of 2 numbers is 3. What might the 2 numbers be? And is there more than one correct answer? Go ahead and respond to this. You'll need to answer all your homework check questions on your own paper. And when you're done, move on to the next video.